Hi, everyone. Rebecca and I are so excited to be back with you, sharing our Estee Lauder nighttime skincare routines. Rebecca? Rebecca?
Maggie. Hey there.
Maybe I should have called for Iron Man and you would have answered faster. What are you doing?
You know what? You make fun. I do this weekly. This is my thing. So this is the Advanced Night Repair Concentrated Recovery Power Foil Mask. Long name, fast mask. 10 minutes. It's really innovative. It's got this foil backing, which is very cool.
Ooh.
Look at it, and it's custom fit. I don't know about you, but sometimes they just don't fit my face. this does. And I feel amazing. It's 10 minutes. I look radiant.
You
so
totally
thank you
do.
for respecting the process.
You're welcome. Listen, you do you, girlfriend. I might just be a little bit jealous because here I am sitting here with today's face still on. So yes, this is our skincare conversation. But before I remove my makeup, I just have to make a plug. If everybody missed our first video, you talked about Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. That's what I have on today. And let me just give you a quick rundown of today. Put my makeup on at 6. I was back to back, no time for touch-ups, worked out. I know you'll be proud. I certainly am. Dinner, bath, bed with my kid. And here we are. All right. Now that I said that, I am ready to get on your level and remove my makeup. I'm
Let's do it.
with our Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Balm. I'm going to give you a good product shot right here. You can see it's very loved. You can see that great texture right there.
I'm going to stop you here. I mean, I love this product, right? Balm, but this is not like you. This is, I mean, no offense, but that's very sophisticated. I know you as more of a like wipe and a foam mask girl. Tell us why the balm.
You're not wrong, but this stuff is incredible. So it removes all makeup, face, eye, long wearing, you name it. And it works in 3 ways. So you ready for this? I'm scooping this out. Now, this is going to look crazy. I'm actually removing my makeup, okay? And get that into my hands. It goes from a balm. As you work it into your skin, it goes to an oil. Get up close so that you can see that. Here comes the crazy. I'm going to remove my eye makeup as well. I can't believe I'm doing this right here.
I love it.
Any leftover long wearing lipstick that I had today. I had so many calls. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, if you were going to lather and splash your face with water, it would change to a milky lotion. I'm going to use just wet washcloth. Oh my gosh. And can you look at that? Look at that removal. It also smells incredible. It's lavender and chamomile. So, I mean, I like a little pampering too. You're not the only one. But look at that. I removed all eye makeup. Oh my gosh. It still blows me away. And I do this every single day. So I'm going to pat my face dry.
Okay, real talk. Your skin looks good.
Well, thank you. It feels super comfortable, not tight, not dry. And now you and I are at the same place. Now, I happen to know that we do a very similar nighttime skincare routine. The difference being I go fast, you like a little bit more pampering. So let's meet in the middle as we go through our steps tonight.
That's fair. So first up, Advanced Night Repair Serum, the holy grail, as we like to call it, of skincare.
We've used it for a combined few decades, and it doesn't matter what's going on. We never miss this step. So let's do it.
Ever. So here's where obsession, I show you how to use it. So bear with me, little pampering treat here. Get a full dropper full,
okay.
The whole thing. Okay. Now, Maggie, I'm going to have you warm it between your hands. Okay. And you're going to start in the middle of your face here, and you're going to make a heart all the way up to ears, down to chin. Then you're going to make another heart, forehead, ears, chin. And then, you take it down.
And then I just do about extra rubbing in also. Why the hearts, Rebecca?
Because you love yourself, obviously. And also, the 2 hearts cover the whole face, so it makes it easy. It feels good.
That makes sense. I know you, so I know where we're going next, so I'm beating you to it.
God do. This is my problem area, so I gotta get it for you. The Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. Huge fan. So I love it because it's like this mini spa moment for my eye, which I absolutely need. You're gonna do this with me?
Because it has a tool. So I mean, I'll use your method. I can't promise I'll stay there the whole time, but I'll go with you.
Okay, so here we go. So you're gonna start here. Yep. And you're going to go like this. And then you're going to take it up here. There you go. Oh, yeah. Now she's about to go.
Now I've got emotion. I forgot to do my other eye. You know what people might not know is that the skin around our eye is so much thinner and more delicate. And so you really do need something that is formulated for that delicate skin.
So nourishing. And I need it. I deserve it.
Totally. Little piano fingers. Okay. And then just like that, our final step is moisturizer.
All right. Revitalizing Supreme Night. Same.
I'm going to give you a texture shot. And I just want you to take a look at that. Rich, nourishing, comforting. I feel like it cocoons my skin. I swear I wake up looking radiant. Obsessed with this one.
Maggie, you're going to hate me because she hates it when I do this. This is formulated for my neck area. You don't know now, Max, that will age.
You know what? I've seen that sizzle reel, so I'm not going to turn that down. Let's get it on.
All right. So, a little pampering moment. You're going to take about a coin size amount. Good deal. Warm it between your hands. All right. And we're going to start in the same place. So, middle of the face. Yep. You're going to go up. And just give it a press here. Hold. Yes. Now here. Let's see, you wanted to hold that for a bit.
I just want to stay right there. This is a good angle.
And then forehead. And then we're going to take, of course, for the neck, because it's formulated for the neck. And then who am I kidding?
Is this not universal for all women? Like, we don't want to waste anything. And so it's going to go everywhere. Cuticles, elbows, just excess massaging. Like, we've got it.
Smart women will do that.
You know what? That's fair. And that's it, you guys. So you don't have to use a lot of products. You just need to use some really great ones. And that's what we believe we have at Estée Lauder. So I started, just to recap, with the micro cleansing balm. Give the balm a try. You heard Rebecca say, like, just try it out. Fantastic. Don't ever skip this. Try it, use it, love it, live by it. Advanced Night Repair Serum. If you're in the market for a new eye cream, Matrix is fantastic, built-in applicator for massage. And then I promise that you will not be disappointed with this purchase of Revitalizing Supreme Night. Cult following. We love
it. And don't forget my mask. She makes fun. Shameless plug. Worth it. Advanced Night Repair Concentrated Recovery Power Foil Mask. Do it. And you know what? Have fun. Shop our favorites on QVC.com. Plus yours. There's lots there, but for a limited time, so get to it, obviously. And we'll see you next time.